Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is an unbagging. This is a bag that I got on eBay and it's from a Japanese seller, and I'm just a tad bit nervous because it is a luxury piece. I've never purchased from this Japanese seller before. I've had this since May and I just have not had the time or the gumption, either one, to unbox this for you. I've been actually just dying to see what's inside, so we're gonna do it together, so just keep watching. Before we get into it, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get into this. So this is from, I believe the seller's name is, I wanna say like Japan Mono or something like that. I will leave it down below for you, and I paid $335 plus tax for this bag. So to me, a really good deal. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, there is an invoice inside actually. Let's see. So yeah, $335, and I don't know if there was tax or shipping, but it was definitely under $400 that I paid for this. So here it is. It's a little squish. They didn't put any padding or anything in it, looks like. This is a vintage bag. Let me just look over it really quickly. Very pretty. I have been wanting one. So this is the Speedy 25 in Epi Leather. As you can see, there's the LV right there, and the Epi is that like striation type of leather. So I think it's really pretty. Let me smell it. It just has maybe like a vintage smell, but it doesn't smell. On the side here is the little stamp there. So Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. The other side doesn't have anything. I don't think it came with the key, but those are pretty easy to find, I think. This has the gold toned hardware, and I don't have my glasses so I can't see, but I feel like it's maybe a little tarnished here and there, which doesn't bother me. But I do have some, is it called Brasso? I think it's called Brasso. So I could clean that up if I wanted to. The little pull handle is good. The zipper is great. I knew about this going into it, that the pocket is, I wouldn't say it's sticky, but it has kind of started like shedding, which is fine. I'll probably just end up getting an insert for the bag anyway and just maybe not even use that pocket. But really, there are no issues. Interesting, this was in there. I wonder what that is too. Yeah, the inside looks really good. On this Speedy, the date code is underneath the flap here, and it's right there. So this date code is VI0992. So this was made in the 9th month of 1992. This bag is 30 years old. I think it looks really, really good. All of the details here, I think these are called poches, I'm not sure, but everything looks good there. The smallest amount of tarnishing on the little rivets, and a little bit more tarnishing here, but these look really good. The logo still looks really good. I like this because it does have this side pocket. Now, that's not really gonna fit a phone or anything like that, but if you're in a hurry and you just need to stick your credit card in there, your driver's license, whatever, it's very easy just to stick down in there. The sides look really good. I mean, to be 30 years old, really good. As you can see, this is not the bandolier. This is just the top handle. And I'm not even sure that they made the bandolier in 1992. I don't think that they did. I brought a little bit of a comparison for you. I've done at least a couple of videos on this Dooney & Bourke bag that I'm going to show you here. This is the Olivia bag, and it's definitely bigger, but I wanted to show you what the 25, the Speedy 25 compares to that bag. So let me grab it. This is one of my absolute favorite bags, and I even have it stuffed, which I don't stuff my bags very often because I'm lazy, but I just love this one, and so I had it in the dust bag and I had it stuffed. So here is the comparison. So this is more like a 30. This is the 25. So if you have this bag, you'll know that the size this is. I know there are a ton of videos out there about Speedies in general, and then of course the 25 is maybe the most popular that LV has. I won't do a what's in my bag unless you just really want me to. I'll move into this pretty soon. Right now I'm using my Portland leather bag, bucket bag that I purchased a while back. I think I have an unboxing on that. It's a good carry. I like it. It smells really good, so that's good. But this one I'll move into pretty soon. Now, about purchasing online from eBay and Japanese sellers. In Japan, the luxury trade business, resale trade business, is super regulated. In order to sell any type of luxury items in Japan, the sellers have to like have a permit or something, certification, something like that, to be able to sell in Japan. So if they sell anything that is non-authentic and it's posed as being, or it's said that it is authentic, they could lose their license or whatever and get in trouble. So most of the time you can trust Japanese sellers, most of the time. Just be sure that if you're going to purchase something that you really do look at their feedback and make sure that they are, you know, tried and true. I'm not going to purchase from anyone, period. It doesn't matter if it's a Japanese seller or not. I'm not going to purchase from anyone who doesn't have a certain amount of feedback. I don't know that I have a specific number, but I definitely look at it and make sure that, you know, people have been rating them and they're rated good. As far as the date is concerned, this being 30 years old, I wanted to purchase a vintage bag. I was actually really looking for one from 1995, which is when my daughter was born, because I was really wanting to have a bag from her birth year that I could pass down to her. But then I was thinking, you know what, she's going to end up probably getting this bag anyway, because the bags now that I have, and I've gotten a few that you guys haven't seen. I've gotten 2 bags that you guys haven't seen, but I'm going to be, as far as luxury is concerned, Louis Vuitton, I'm going to be keeping them in my collection. I'm probably not going to be selling any of my LV bags or any of my luxury bags that I have now, because they are really just going up and up in price. So I'm looking at it as an investment. I'm keeping them. I'm keeping them. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in my hair, I'm blonde today, guys. Can you believe it? I'm blonde. This is Miranda by Renau, and it's in the color, I think it's Laguna blonde. So I picked this up on clearance. It was like, you know what? I am gonna give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'll probably do a review on this pretty soon. But again, thank you so much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.